Now that your ice maker's good to go, Bill, you can grab yourself that cold glass of water you've been wanting. Uh-oh. Is the water not cold enough for you? I'm really sorry, Bill. Sometimes that can happen, so it's important to be aware of a few contributing factors. If you're filling up water bottles or pitchers frequently, you'll need to give your fridge a little time to keep up. Another factor to keep in mind is warmer weather. During the summer months, groundwater is naturally warmer, so give it a little extra time to cool down. Okay, but what if your water is plenty cool but it's dripping? It's normal for your dispenser to drip for a few seconds right after using it, but if you notice that it's continually dripping, it may be due to trapped air in the water line, ice buildup, ice residue in the ice chute, or the seal in the ice chute is not airtight. Make sure there aren't any ice cubes hanging out in the ice chute. Also, be sure to dry the chute and seal fully, and inspect it for any damage while you're there. There shouldn't be any on a new fridge, but it doesn't hurt to look. And always be sure to check that the ice chute and ice bucket seal properly. On French door models like this, with the left door still closed, check that the ice chute seal is sitting flush against the ice bucket. If there's a gap, warm air will enter the ice maker compartment, causing the ice to melt and water to drip from the dispenser. Finally, if you removed the doors recently or during installation, you'll need to check the waterline coupling above the door and make sure it has been connected properly. For French door refrigerators, the coupling will be below the door. These guys are really small, but if they're loose, they can definitely leak. Now, you may be asking yourself, what if the dispenser isn't working at all? Just try the following, Bill. Make sure the doors are completely closed before using the dispenser. The dispenser won't work if the doors are open. Confirm that control lock is disabled. Family Hub and fridges with an interior panel have a separate dispenser lock. All other models use control lock for the panel and dispenser. Now, if you've been drinking a lot of water, it's possible the water filter could be the culprit. So try dispensing water without the water filter in. If water comes out while the filter is removed, then you'll need to replace the water filter. If it still isn't coming out, check the water line connection. Okay, to recap, warm water coming from the dispenser could be due to high demand or warm weather. If the dispenser is continually dripping, check the ice chute, remove leftover ice cubes, and fully dry the chute and seal. Then, make sure the ice chute and ice bucket seal properly. Check for frozen ice or damage to the ice chute seal. If you've recently removed the fridge doors, make sure the water lines and couplers have been properly connected. If the dispenser isn't working at all, close both fridge doors and disable control lock. If water is still not dispensing, remove the water filter and try dispensing water again. Finally, check your water line connections. Alrighty, Bill. Now that the dispenser is taken care of, let's see if the water is to your liking. Oh, now that's the smile I like to see.